Picture this, you put on a VR headset, and suddenly your classroom is on Mars, or inside a human body, or at the bottom of the ocean. Sounds like science fiction. It could be reality sooner than you think. Stay with me as we explore how VR classrooms, powered by AI like ChatGPT, could totally change how we learn. Education has looked pretty much the same for decades: desks, blackboards, textbooks, but technology is changing everything. Virtual reality and AI are opening up exciting ways to make learning more interactive, more fun, and maybe 10 times more effective. Let's break it down. 1. VR equals a classroom without walls. With VR, students could travel anywhere: ancient Rome, outer space, deep under the sea, all from home. No more just reading about history or science, you live it. Fact: studies show that immersive environments help with memory retention because they engage more senses. Example: instead of just reading about the solar system, you could walk among the planets in 3D. 2. AI like ChatGPT as your personal guide in these virtual worlds. AI tutors like ChatGPT can answer your questions, give feedback, or even quiz you in real time. Imagine raising your hand and getting a clear, personalized answer from an AI assistant, anytime. Example: struggling with a math problem. Your AI tutor explains it with visuals and guides you step by step. 3. Smarter homework and assessments. VR classrooms could make homework and tests feel like games, interactive challenges where you show what you've learned in creative ways. AI can track your progress and suggest what to practice next. Fact: AI can adapt tests to your level, giving you just the right challenge to keep improving. 4. New ways to collaborate. Group projects. Imagine building a virtual model together, or exploring a digital ecosystem as a team, no matter where you are in the world. 5. Motivation and accessibility. AI and VR can help students who struggle with focus, anxiety, or learning differences. Customized environments, flexible pacing, and built-in support can help everyone succeed. Conclusion: so, will schools look like this by 2030? Maybe, and maybe even sooner. One thing's clear: with virtual reality and AI like ChatGPT, learning could become more exciting, more personal, and more powerful than ever before. Are you ready for the classroom of the future? If you're as excited as I am about the future of learning, hit that like button, subscribe to Edgewaverse, and share this video with your friends. And don't forget, drop a comment below. If you had a VR classroom, what subject would you want to experience in virtual reality? I can't wait to see your answers.